Have you ever wondered how some people are making passive AI income? Did you know that there is an increasing number of YouTube channels creating videos effortlessly, even without showing their faces? What if I told you that you can also create videos in minutes using just your computer and AI? No, this isn't the beginning of a sci-fi dream. Keep watching because in today's video, we're diving into how you can create videos using AI and make passive AI income on YouTube. And if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself well-equipped and motivated to make AI money. Maybe you are asking yourself, can I really make quality videos without any video editing skills? Yes, you can make high-quality videos without any video editing skills using the right AI tools. Is AI powerful enough to produce content that will engage an audience? Yes. With the right editing, AI can help you create highly engaging content. And I'll show you exactly how in this video. How much time and effort will I need to invest to see results? With AI, you can produce videos rapidly, making the learning process much quicker compared to traditional methods like doing it yourself or hiring people. Let me give you a sneak peek of the video we'll create together today.
Before we had the internet, before radio waves carried news across continents, we had the printing press, an invention as monumental as the microchip. That was Europe before Johannes Gutenberg stepped onto the stage. Close your eyes and imagine the rhythmic chug of a steam locomotive, the hiss of escaping steam, the sheer mechanical force propelling tons of steel across the landscape. The steam engine wasn't just an invention, it was a paradigm shift. Perfect.
Incredible, right? Trust me, you'll be amazed how simple and effective the creation process is. Before we dive in, I've put together a comprehensive Google Doc that walks you through every step we'll cover today. You can find it in the description below, so feel free to check it out and follow along. To demonstrate the power of AI, let's take a quick look at a successful YouTube channel in the history niche that specializes in faceless videos. This channel consistently produces captivating content by seamlessly blending videos, images, text, and voiceovers, and they're using AI to do it. According to their Social Blade profile, they're likely earning over $10,000 per month. For those unfamiliar, Social Blade is a platform that estimates YouTube channel earnings. By leveraging AI, these creators can produce content more efficiently, freeing up time to focus on research and storytelling. This channel is a perfect example that with the right tools, anyone can create compelling videos and build a thriving channel. AI is revolutionizing content creation. For creators, it means faster production times, enhanced creativity, and the ability to produce higher quality content. Tools like invideo AI allow you to focus on your ideas while the AI takes care of the technical aspects like editing, transitions, and even script suggestions. In short, AI is your creative assistant, enabling you to produce better content with less effort. Now let's talk about invideo AI. If you haven't heard of it, invideo is an AI tool that simplifies video creation through AI. Signing up is straightforward. You can start with a free account and upgrade later if you need more features. Link in the description. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, invideo AI's features help you produce professional videos with minimal effort. From script to video conversion to adding AI-generated voiceovers, it's a game changer for creators. All right, let's create a faceless video in the history niche together with invideo AI. First, let's generate a prompt for invideo AI. For that, I'll ask ChatGPT to create 3 prompt alternatives for use with invideo AI. Here's the prompt we can use. You can customize and adapt it to perfectly fit your niche. Once ChatGPT presents the options, we have the flexibility to either use one as is or adjust it to better suit our needs. In this instance, I particularly like the second option ChatGPT provided, so I'll go ahead and copy it to use in the next step of the process. Now that we have our prompt ready, it's time to jump into invideo AI. After logging into your invideo account, you'll see the main prompt box where the magic happens. Simply paste the prompt we created in the previous step. Click Generate button and sit back and watch as the AI works its magic. In just seconds, you'll see a draft video come to life, complete with perfectly matched visuals, smooth transitions, engaging voiceover, and background music, all tailored according to your prompt. Let's watch a section from the first draft together.
Welcome to our journey through time, exploring the most impactful inventions that have shaped our world. We're talking about those aha moments, those sparks of ingenuity that ignited revolutions, not just of gears and steam, but of minds and societies.
If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support helps me keep creating more content like this. After your draft is ready, you can fine-tune it. And again, you can do it with prompt. For example, let's write this prompt to make the opening scenes shorter to stimulate viewers and include eye-catching captions. InVideo AI will edit the draft video according to this input in seconds. It feels like magic, right?
Before we had the internet, before radio waves carried news across continents, we had the printing press, an invention as monumental as the microchip. That was Europe before Johannes Gutenberg stepped onto the stage.
As you can see, we now have shorter scenes paired with bold, eye-catching yellow captions that really stand out. Other than using the prompt box, you can also use traditional editing tools like Edit Script and Edit Scenes. For example, if you change, add, or remove a sentence from the script, InVideo AI will adjust the video accordingly, including the voiceover and scene timings. Once you're satisfied with the final product, you can download it in various formats, ready to be uploaded to YouTube or any other platform. InVideo AI offers a free version, which is perfect for getting started. If you find yourself needing more advanced features, the premium version is very affordable compared to hiring freelancers or spending countless hours editing on your own. The premium plan gives you access to higher quality exports, more templates, and additional AI tools, making it a worthwhile investment for serious creators. Now that you know how to create videos with InVideo AI, let's talk about how you can monetize them. First option is YouTube ad revenue. Once your channel grows and you're accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, you can start earning from ad revenue. To get accepted, you'll need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months. The key to hitting these milestones is consistent content creation. And with InVideo AI, that becomes a whole lot easier. But you don't have to wait to monetize your channel. Second option to make money with videos is affiliate marketing. By introducing affiliate products to your viewers and including affiliate links in video descriptions, you can earn commissions on sales. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank are excellent places to discover affiliate deals that match your content. I also highly recommend doing some Google research to find the best affiliate products within your niche. By combining these monetization strategies with the video creation skills you learned earlier in the video, you'll be maximizing your online income in no time. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. So go ahead and start experimenting with AI tools today. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to use the links in the description to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.